Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Headlight Bmw X6. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery to avoid shorts. Gather basic tools like Torx bits, trim pry tools, and a flashlight. Work in good light and keep bolts organized so reassembly is straightforward. Take photos of connector locations and clips to speed up reinstallation and prevent mistakes. Prepare by collecting the right tools and clearing workspace around the front bumper and fender. Remove plastic covers and wheel arch liner to reveal mounting bolts. Label connectors and take quick photos to track wiring orientation. Keep replacement clips and screws handy and organize parts in a logical order. This prep saves time and reduces frustration during the removal and later reinstallation steps. Work methodically by removing trim and liners to reach the headlight bolts and clips. If bumper removal is necessary, loosen the fasteners just enough to provide clearance. Carefully disconnect all electrical plugs, use a small screwdriver to release clips, and support the assembly as you pull it out. Place the headlight on a soft surface to avoid scratches and inspect connectors for corrosion before replacement or service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.